Welcome to this tutorial on the aos Community Edition, the open agent operating system designed for those seeking an inspectable and composable environment for agents. aos gives you a powerful CLI and HTTP API along with first-party capsules, making it ideal for building and managing sophisticated systems. In this video, we will explore what makes aos a valuable toolkit for developers and operators alike, including installation and various features that enhance agent-based programming. The aos command line interface provides a straightforward interaction with the agent operating system. With commands like init, status, and update, it simplifies managing your agents and capsules, allowing you to execute tasks using simple, easy-to-remember commands. This way, you can spend less time memorizing complex syntax and focus more on creating innovative solutions in your agent environment. The HTTP API opens up a world of possibilities by allowing programmatic access to the features and capabilities of the aos ecosystem. This is particularly useful for integrating with other services and applications, enabling seamless communication and automation. By leveraging the API, developers can build rich applications that interact with aos in ways that meet their specific needs. Community distributions and capsule management are made simpler with aos's built-in tools. The system comes with 21 first-party capsules that enhance functionality, enabling users to easily extend their agent's capabilities without needing to build from scratch. This pre-packaged environment helps developers focus on what they do best, innovating and improving existing agents rather than handling tedious details of capsule management. aos supports an advanced provisioning model that allows you to initialize and manage your agent environment efficiently. By using aos-init, you can set up your workspace quickly and even run it in offline mode. This powerful feature ensures you have the proper setup regardless of your working conditions, boosting productivity and ensuring smooth operation. The built-in logging environment is a critical feature of aos that helps developers monitor their agents' behaviors and troubleshoot issues seamlessly. By providing stdir logging, aos captures all necessary output, including errors and warnings, to facilitate easier problem-solving. With better visibility into agent actions, developers can refine their systems and enhance performance steadily. aos offers a comprehensive framework for building and managing user space capsules known as Forge. This tool simplifies the creation of new capsules and aids in understanding the strengths and weaknesses of existing ones. By providing insights into the agent ecosystem, it encourages the development of efficient, well-tailored applications rooted in the aos. Lastly, the upgrade and self-healing mechanisms ensure your aos installation remains consistent and functional. With careful validation and provisioning strategies, aos allows for seamless updates that don't disrupt ongoing processes. By reducing the risk of downtime, it fosters a stable environment conducive to long-term projects and production use. The integration with various programming languages and frameworks adds immense versatility to aos. For example, utilizing Rust within the system helps achieve performance and safety, key concerns for agent-based systems. By combining aos with adept programming practices, developers can craft resilient, scalable, and efficient applications that respond dynamically to real-world conditions. To install the aos Community Edition, you need to download and run a simple installation script via the command line. You can do this by executing the following command in your terminal: curl proto equals https tlsv fssl https //aos unicity ai/install sh. This command fetches the installation script and executes it, which will install the aos product command, its requisite runtime, and the set of 21 Community Edition capsules directly into your home directory under /aos. After the installation completes, you can run aos-init to provision your local environment and prepare it for use. Importantly, you can also run aos-init offline, which enables you to prepare your setup even when you do not have an internet connection. This ensures that you can reliably start working right away, whether online or offline. Plus, if you ever need to run the installer again, it also conducts a coordinated product upgrade without changing your standalone runtime install, helping to keep everything up to date without hassle. This file serves as the main entry point for the aos MCP broker, acting as a conduit for managing and coordinating agent communications. It sets up essential components, including broker initialization and connection handling, ensuring that agents can exchange information efficiently within the aos ecosystem. Here we've defined the core functionalities for managing user-related actions. The file implements methods for handling requests and responses related to user data, allowing agents to seamlessly store and retrieve user preferences and actions, thereby fostering a personalized and user-centric environment. This file contains essential definitions and implementations for managing the message communication protocols. It allows agents to serve as interface points within the aos, ensuring messages are dispatched correctly and processed, enabling robust interactions across multiple agents. In this file, you will find the implementation for the capsule that allows agents to communicate over HTTP. By wrapping HTTP requests and responses, this capsule enables agents to interact with web services, facilitating a broader integration capability and opening new avenues for agent functionality. This segment initiates the definitions of various agents that will interact within the system. It establishes a foundation for building complex agent behaviors and facilitating their management, ensuring broad flexibility in what developers can create and how agents can operate in tandem. In conclusion, we've explored the powerful features of aos Community Edition and walked through the installation process and some essential code examples. Whether you are looking to create scalable agents or utilize complex user interactions, aos provides robust tools to enhance your development experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on innovative software solutions.